Okay, so this.
Okay, we're gonna
I
restart.
forgot the name.
We're gonna
No,
restart.
hey,
Okay.
no. This episode of YouTube Adventures is sponsored by
Open.
Open Season.
And
It's
by
a great movie.
and brought to you
No, it's
by
not. It's-
Sprint, which sucks because they don't make any good phones.
And
Anyways,
Rayovac, I guess that's how you say it.
I don't know
I
how
don't
to
know.
say it. Well, let's get this.
I just put those
started.
batteries in the camera, so you know.
Let's get
They're
this thing
just there.
started, Garrett.
So,
can you
yes.
get this thing- All right.
Okay.
Today we're gonna talk
do this.
about text messaging.
Text messages.
Text
Okay, do you understand?
Look what I just received from my girlfriend just 2 seconds ago. I started dating her on Thursday. I mean on Saturday. Now she's breaking up with me. Are you kidding me? Do you see this? That's unbelievable. That's
Yes.
unbelievable.
Says that it's not working out between
She
them.
said it's not working out. Well, Garrett says, well, maybe, dude. Maybe she just means she's on the toilet and it's not really working out of her. Like, out. You know what I mean? It's not working out.
Ouch.
Well, let's talk about text messages. All right.
I'm gonna
So,
sit up here like a little frog.
Kids, they text messages.
They do.
They
Guess
do.
what? I'm not allowed, so if you know me and you text me, I'm getting in trouble for you. Thank you.
Yeah, text messaging gets kids in trouble. They
It
send
does.
like 1,000 text messages enough. And I'll tell you why they send the 1,000 text messages every month. Because they say these stupid...
Because we
look
can.
Look at this. No, not because we can, Garrett. I know
But we can.
But we can send.
We can.
We could.
That-
But
that's
this...
the-
let me
that's
show
the
you
good
the
thing.
reason. Let me show you the reason we send 1,000 texts every month. I'm going to show you. It's these stupid texts like this.
1,000?
It's the dumb text like this. Hold on. I'm going to show you this stupid text that I send every day. Every day. I send these stupid texts. Yup. Do you see that? It says yup. Those are the texts.
Yup.
Yup. Yup.
Yup.
And it's a dumb, stupid text that you only say like 3 words on. Look. Okay. Bye. Oh, really? LOL. Okay. LOL. Yup. Yup. Ouch. Where? That hurt me. Are you kidding me?
Ouch,
I'm
where?
doing
That
my
hurt
whole...
me.
I know. Gotta go. Bye. You suck. Ha ha. You. Fine. Okay.
You
Suck,
fine,
suck.
okay. Man, that could be a rap or
I
something.
know. That could be a... So, yup.
You.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
You suck.
Oh.
Yeah, it's gay. It's gay. Okay, yeah, we're done. We're done. We're done.
In the mood.
But that is the reason why your kids and you guys are watching this on YouTube right now are saying so many texts. If you tell your spouse or the person you're texting to, hey, stop texting me these stupid texts that say yup,
Calm.
yeah. No, but that's the reason why my mom has to pay $15 a month for unlimited
My
text
head,
messaging.
my hair,
$15 a
dude,
month.
shut up.
$15 a month. 300 text messages. 300 text messages I sent last month. I sent 300 text messages.
I will hit you in the head with our sponsor.
I already sent 92 text messages today. Okay. We're gonna calm down. We're just gonna calm down.
Okay.
We're gonna calm down.
Now, this is something that just happened.
It's just-
Okay, now we need to change the topic to TVs because
TV.
my hair just touched a TV and then it shocked me and it hurt.
It
And-
shocked him.
It hurts.
Xbox 360. Oh no, Cloverfield the movie. Oh my goodness.
Gay!
It was the dumbest movie ever. If you want to go see this movie.